Selling your old phone, furniture, or car online seems easier than ever. Just post, chat, and sell. That's the promise of OfferUp, the app that calls itself the simplest way to buy and sell locally. But in 2026, when platforms like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist still dominate, is OfferUp truly safer, faster, and worth your time? Or is it just another app flooded with scammers and lowball offers? I've been testing buying and selling apps for years, from eBay to Letgo to Facebook Marketplace. I evaluate how quickly listings sell, how secure transactions are, and how easy the communication process feels. For this review, I listed several real items on OfferUp: electronics, furniture, and clothing, over 3 months, tracked the selling time, messages, and actual buyer quality, and also tested its buyer side by purchasing 2 products to evaluate reliability and safety. OfferUp's marketing revolves around 3 big promises: fast local selling, post in seconds, connect instantly with nearby buyers, and sell items faster than traditional listings. Safe and trusted transactions. OfferUp promotes in-app messaging, verified profiles, and community-rated sellers to keep transactions secure. Convenience and flexibility. Sell anything, right from phones to cars, locally or via shipping, all from your phone. Sounds ideal, but how does it perform when you actually start using it day to day? Ease of use. Posting an item is indeed quick. You upload a few photos, add a title, price, and short description, and it's live within minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. The app automatically suggests pricing ranges based on similar listings, which helps sellers price competitively. Buyer quality and offers. Here's where reality hits. You'll get a flood of messages within the first hour, but many are low offers or automated responses like "still available" or "can you deliver?" Out of 10 listings I tested, about half led to serious buyers. Smaller items like gadgets or clothing sold fastest, often within 24 to 48 hours. Larger furniture or cars took longer. Safety and security. OfferUp emphasizes its TrueU verification system, where users upload ID and photo verification to earn a badge. While it helps identify trustworthy profiles, not all users are verified. In my experience, verified buyers were generally more reliable. The app also highlights safe exchange zones, often near police stations or public spaces, to encourage in-person transactions, a solid feature for peace of mind. Shipping experience. For non-local transactions, OfferUp allows nationwide shipping. It provides prepaid labels and payments are held until the buyer confirms receipt. This adds a layer of protection for both sides. However, delivery can take up to a week, and disputes over item condition can delay payouts. Fees and hidden costs. OfferUp is free for local transactions. For shipped sales, there's a small service fee. Depending on item price, compared to competitors, these fees are fair, though not the lowest. Performance and customer support. The app runs smoothly, but customer support can be slow. If a dispute arises, response times vary and sellers often report waiting days for resolution. So does OfferUp really work in 2026? Yes, but with a few caveats. It's one of the easiest and fastest ways to sell locally, especially for smaller household items and electronics. The interface is user-friendly, and safety tools like verified users and meeting zones show real effort toward creating a trustworthy marketplace. However, like any peer-to-peer platform, it's not immune to lowball offers or scammers. You still need to use common sense, verify profiles, meet in safe locations, and avoid sharing personal details. If you're cleaning out your home or want to make quick extra cash, OfferUp still delivers on its promise. But if you expect flawless service or instant high-value sales, temper your expectations. In short, OfferUp works. It's convenient, fast, and mostly reliable. Just stay alert, price fairly, and remember that online selling always comes with a bit of hustle.